Hi, girls, it's Melissa, and today I want to touch on the company, the people you hang around with. Are they good company? Are they bad company? Are they leading you to do the wrong things? Are they leading you towards your purpose in life? Are they leading you towards your goals? Or are they just hindering that? Now, before I even start, I want to read 1 Corinthians chapter 15, verses 33. It says, "Do not be misled. Bad company corrupts good character." Now, many a times we may think that the people, that the cliques we hang around with, or maybe we don't think at all where they're carrying us. But the Bible strictly says it corrupts, bad company corrupts good character. Now, if you know you want to get somewhere in life, you know you have a goal, you want to be a doctor, you want to be a lawyer, you want to be a motivational speaker, whatever purpose, whatever goal you have for your life, you must have people around you, persons around you to support that dream, support that goal. And if in fact that the people around you are not studying they're studying the wrong things, they're studying boys, they're studying hanging out, there's nothing wrong with hanging out, but you need to know your limit. Now, if the people around you are not supporting where you're heading, then you need to cut them off. You need to not hang around with them, because the Bible clearly says good character is corrupted when you hang around with bad company. So, as a female, young females out there, I want to encourage you to pay attention to your company. Look at what and where they're leading you to. And if it's not in line with where you want to go in life, then you need to cut them off, especially if it's a guy or a boyfriend that you have and you guys are not heading in the same direction. It will hinder you. It will hurt now, but it will hinder you in the long run if you continue to keep that relationship going. So, God gives us strength to change our lifestyle, to change the company that we hang around with. And I do believe that this is important in achieving your goals, in achieving your purpose, that we need to pay attention to the company that we keep. I know growing up, my mother used to always tell me, friends will carry you, but they wouldn't bring you back. So remember that. Please, I pray that you would choose the right friends that would lead you to achieve your purpose in life. Okay? So until next time, bye.